Hello everyone, in my last video I showed you all the unboxing of this air fryer, and now I will be cooking something and showing you. So here I have used this air fryer liner, which is the reusable liner, and I will be using this and then I will be cooking something on this. So today I am trying some potato waffles in this new air fryer, and it will be nice and crispy. That's what I'm hoping. So I have just spread some oil, and I will be using this potato waffles, and we'll see how it turns out. So I have taken 3 of them and will be brushing with some oil on top, and then I will be putting it into the air fryer for cooking. The time written was 15 to 20 minutes, so I think it will be done within that time. I will be adjusting the temperature now. I will be setting the timer first. I'm putting it for 20 minutes, and the temperature I will set it for 200 degrees centigrade. So we will then cook, and let's see how it turns out. I'm checking this one now, just after 10 minutes. It's looking good and nice. I will put it back. I will turn it first, and then I will put it back for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will see. So basically I turned all of them, and then I am putting it back, and we will cook for another 5 minutes and then see. So after 5 minutes, I'm checking it out. It's looking all done and ready, and it will be yummy and crispy. It is looking so good, and it's fully ready. So I don't have to put it back for another 5 minutes. We can now enjoy. So just I'm cutting it and showing you. It is really crispy and it is absolutely yummy. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you in the next one.